Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey's iconic K-pop demon hunters look inside Dress to Impress. So if you want to know the step-by-step through the outfit pieces, hair combos and accessory that bring Zoey's vibe to life, just watch this video. Let's just get started. So first, for the hair, here I'm using this updo combined with the bang from this curly hair. This one in here. Now let's make the look. So first you can go to the dressing room and here put on this long sleeves. Toggle it into smooth and change the color in white. And you need to know that you need to change all the material into silk for the outfit. And for the top, combine it with the stuff from the battle update. First preview, make it white, and for the halter, make it gold. This is the gold color that I use. And then in here, go to the currency tab and put on this long sleeves from the which side. First color white in silk, and the next one gold. And next I'm going to put on the shoe. So for the shoe I'm going to use these boots. Toggle it into number 2 and change the color into white, and for the shoe tie make it gold like this. And then put on this skirt, toggle it into number 4, and here change the color into white in silk and the chains to gold. Now for the skirt, combine it with the skirt from the code items. This one, remove the ribbons and change the color into white in silk, and lacing I'm going to go with gold. And now I'm going to put on some accessory in here. Put on this pants in here with white color in silk. Then put on these earrings. For the second review, make the color gold. Now put on this necklace. It's the same gold color and use this adjustment. So for the position, change the Y into 47 and the Z 49 and adjust the scale to 59. And this is the final look for Zoey's in K-pop Demon Hunter. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.